Hi, it's Jimmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make any app fill the entire screen of your MacBook instantly using a shortcut key. As you may know, on the MacBook, you can enter full screen mode with Fn+F, but I prefer to have my app fill the entire screen instead of going into full screen mode, because this way I can still see my menu bar and dock on display. It's easier to use in my personal opinion. Okay, let me show you a quick demo. With a simple shortcut, say F11, your app will instantly fill the entire screen. Now, let me show you how to set this up. First, open System Settings. Go to Keyboard, Keyboard Shortcuts, App Shortcuts, then click the plus button. For Application, select All Applications. For menu title, type Fill. For keyboard shortcut, click the empty box on the right and press the shortcut you want. For me, I'm using F11 as my shortcut key. Click Done, then wait for a few seconds for it to take effect. One thing to note is that if you already use the F11 key to control your device volume, as it does for most users, it's better to choose another key combination like Fn plus F11 to avoid conflicts. That's it. Now, whenever you press your shortcut key, your app will fill up the whole screen. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing more macOS tricks that I use in my daily life.